We've been living in the same city for a few years now. We actually moved back in 2020 mid-COVID after living together for 3 months in Santa Cruz West in Bombay. And life happened and we ended up living apart. She with my mom and I lived in an apartment in Basant Kunj.
We grew up together. We lost our father a long time back, and I was 12, she was 8, and I think at a very young age, I assumed that she's my responsibility and that I need to take care of her, protect her, and in some sense fill the gap that had been created. And I think I went through life just following that path.
Once upon a time, we used to be over-attached siblings.
We used to call each other over-attached siblings, and
Now we are completely detached siblings.
so we were very close growing up. I remember always being very cognizant of the fact that she should be able to come to me with anything. So even if sometimes she would come with something that would not sit well with me or would not be very good, for me in my head, for her, I would be very cognizant to never show her a really adverse reaction and do nothing to sort of discourage her from coming to me. And I would make an effort with her friends. I would make an effort with everybody around her because it was, I suppose, my need to make sure that she shouldn't be left wanting for anything. When life happened for me, and I ended up being in the same city as her, although we did grow up in the same city, in the same room for a long time. But then I got married, moved away, she went for studies. But life, as it happened, brought us back to the same city in Bombay, where even though we didn't live together initially, we did live together towards the end, just before the pandemic.
For a few months, she has been staying in a new apartment. She went, hunted for a house, signed her papers, and moved in. Apart from me, where I actually lived in a 3 BHK, and I didn't know she was looking for an apartment.
We stopped talking to each other very much. We stopped trusting each other with things that we had to share with each other. There came a point when I realized that I needed distance from possibly, even my mother in my life.
We both took steps back without telling each other, and the silence grew louder with every month, every day. I was in the US when a couple of months ago, she asked me that, oh, you are thinking of taking a road trip from Delhi to Bombay, and maybe, if nobody is going with you, maybe I should come with you. And I was like, in that moment, I was like, yeah, I think this is the right thing to do. I'm glad she took an initiative, and I'm glad I said yes, and we both put aside our egos for a while.
Bombay was where we had last been the over-attached siblings.
We are hoping to end this silence. A lot has been unsaid, and when a lot is unsaid, distance becomes normal, and we don't want it to be normal.
Welcome to seeing how two over-attached and later detached siblings may make an effort to try and close the gap.
I don't know how this will go, honestly. It can go haywire, it can completely end up in a cold war for a long time.
Are we going to be able to bridge it? Are we going to get more distance? I guess we'll see. And if any one of you is struggling themselves in a situation like this, I hope that it will help.
Welcome to our lives, and I hope you enjoy it. And we'll see you from the road.